How to fix Instagram security code not received. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The few fixes on how you can fix Instagram security code not received are: firstly, make sure you typed the right email address or phone number, including the country code. Also, you can go ahead and check the spelling and spaces, as even a small typo can block the delivery. Now, next, go ahead and open your mailbox and you can try to look into spam or junk or promotions folder. You can also try to wait a few minutes, as codes sometimes take up to 10 minutes to arrive. And if you still not receive the code, then you can go back to the Instagram login page or the verification page and tap on the resend code option. And make sure not to repeatedly tap on it, as too many requests can delay or block the delivery. Also, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can also try to enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone fixes majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And lastly, make sure you are not connected to any type of VPN or proxy, as these can interfere with SMS or email delivery. So this is how you can fix Instagram security code not received. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.